Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be doing a song reaction. This song is called Chekutan and this has been performed by two artists, Ribbon Richard and Nihal Sadek. And I've seen a lot of requests for this particular song in the comments, so I'm guessing it's a good song. And this is fairly new. It came in 2021 Jan 1st, so it was basically a new year release. And I am also excited because this is a new artist that I'll be reacting to. I've never heard any songs by Ribbon Richard and Nihal Sadek both. So yes, let's react to Chekutan. This has the subtitles. I'm really happy. There are, yes, English for settings, so I'll at least understand the meaning also of the song. And yes, let's just get right into it. Let's see what the song is about, because I don't know what Chekutan means, so that's why. Okay, here we go. Let us begin.
ഈ കാലം നെഞ്ചിൽ ചേർക്കാതെ നിന്നെ
What's animation?
ആരാരും തല കീഴും ഓ കാലമേ പോയിടാം നേടിടാം പൂക്കളായി
Nice.
മാറുമീ ചിന്തയായി ഒരു നീ കാലമേ നീ കേറി വാ നിന്നിലായി വളർന്നു നീ പടർന്നു നീ മെല്ലയാ നഖങ്ങൾ കോർത്തു മുന്നിൽ വന്ന മുഖം മൂടിയുള്ള ഷേഖുത്താന്റെ കൂട്ടം നിങ്ങൾ
Okay. This is interesting.
നീയാണ് ഉള്ളിനുള്ളിൽ എന്നും വിശപ്പാണ് തീരാതെ കനലാണ് ആരാരും കാണാ ലോകം നിന്റെ കാൽ കീഴിൽ ആരാധ്യം വന്നതാണ് കാലമേ നീ കേറി വാ കാലമേ നീ കേറി വാ ചെകുത്താന്റെ കൂട്ടം നിങ്ങൾ
I am so intrigued. Oh, he's like the Robin Hood. Oh wow. This was completely unexpected. I'll stop this. Oh, I loved it. I loved it. Firstly, the animation is amazing. I'll just open the credit. Animation, direction, and editing by Arfan Nojum. I think it was done so well, and the animator is Atul Dev. I really liked the animation. I really liked how this was a very simple story with a very strong message. And wow, Oh, I'm so happy I reacted to this. I'm so happy I reacted to this. Ribbon Richard. So it says Ribbon Richard ex Nihal Sadek. So I'm guessing the song is sung by him, and I don't know what Nihal is. Is he the composer? Wait. Connect with Ribbon. Connect with Nihal. Okay, it's not given exactly. But that's what my guess is, that Ribbon is the composer and Ribbon is the singer and Nihal is the composer of the song. But first, let's hit every aspect. The animation I really liked. It was very neatly done. Really good storytelling, and I like the still shots. It's not like there was animation and it was a combination of both moving animation and still shots, where you see, he's picking up the, stealing the food and stuff. So that was the moving animation, but most of it was completely like still shots with the slow-mo, with the camera panning in. I really like that combination. It made it, different. It made it very engaging for me to look at. The color scheme used was also really good. Very attractive video. Very, very attractive video. Second is Ribbon Richard's vocals. Ribbon Richard, I loved when he was like, there was a lot of variation in the song, but I think what I really liked about the vocal was the message that he was trying to drive from this, because it's the story of this particular guy who is poor. His village, they are poor and all of that. They don't have enough food to go by. I'm guessing they're like, they do farming and stuff like that. Maybe their crops have not grown and stuff like that, and they're really, really struggling with satisfying their hunger, basically. And he is going to the shop and stealing the food. So this main character, he wants to help. He knows that to help someone to do a good deed, he has to sort of do a bad deed, and he understands that. So I don't know, his voice was modulated, the way he was singing with that emotion. I really liked that, like that pain and that determination. It was a combination of both, and I'm so happy that there are subtitles given, which is the theme of the song, where you have to become a devil, like you have to bring out that devil inside of you to actually do a good deed. So where is that line? I mean, for one sect you are the bad person, but for the other sect you are like, their angel. So for one you are a devil, for another you are an angel. So this message that this video is trying to give, that hunger is something that can make a person go to probably any length to satisfy their hunger, because you can't function if you are hungry. You can't think straight if you are hungry. You need to satisfy your stomach first to actually work, move forward, think rationally. So a lot of things are connected to the hunger. It can make you snap, it can make you emotional, it can make you angry, it can make you do unspeakable stuff also sometimes. So I mean, I like how open-ended it was left. Like, you decide. It's like you decide what was right and what was wrong. Like, is the stealing justified or is it not justified? Because like I said, for one person he is the devil, for the other he's the angel. So the message, fantastic. His vocals, amazing. Can we talk about the beat? I love that this song does not have any chorus. It's just the pre-chorus part where the music is completely slowed down, and when the chorus comes, like when the beat drops, there is no chorus, there's no lyric over there. It's just the music, which is, it's like, it's like a seesaw. This song is like a seesaw, because when he's singing, it's completely slowed down, there's barely any music. But when he's running or when some action is happening, there's this unbelievable trancey like beat, which shows your urgency. But there is no singing there. So that was the way it has been mixed. I really liked it. That there is no chorus. Usually I actually prefer songs which has a chorus part, but in this case, because of the animation and stuff like that, I don't know how I'll feel listening to the song if I'm just listening to the song, because the way it builds up, the way it starts, it sounds so good. The music is so good, and then suddenly when the beat drops, it's just the beat. It's no chorus. I'll probably enjoy it. I don't know, because now I'm watching it with the video. That's why I enjoyed it a lot, and I like the fact that there was no chorus, and in the beat drop we can see so many things happening in the video. So yes, but overall I thoroughly enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for this recommendation. Another artist that I got introduced to today. Thanks to all of you. Thanks to all of you. So yes, that was the reaction for Chekutan. Very enjoyable video. This was something very different that I watched. I'm very happy I watched it. So yes, I'll sign off now. That was the reaction for today. I want to definitely know your thoughts on this video, the song. Liked it, did not like it. What do you think about the message that this video is trying to convey? I would love to read them in the comments below, because this is something that, you know, that there is a debate that can happen, or not really debate, there is a discussion that can really happen around this particular topic, and something that is really not talked about, widely in our country. So yes, that was it guys from me. I hope you've come till the end of the video and have enjoyed this reaction. I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video now. Bye bye.